Hey, what's up everyone? Game Dad here. Today is going to be pretty awesome because the folks over at xTool invited me down for a demo of their new xTool F2 Ultra laser. I'm pretty excited. We get to do a hands-on demo, me and a few other people. They got a couple sessions going on. They're going to show off some of the products that it can make. Then they are going to give all of us a hands-on. So I'm going to try and get footage of all of that for all of you. Thanks xTool, and let's go check out this awesome new laser. First pit stop, going to charge up the vehicle for a little bit here in Coldwater, Michigan, on my way down to Ossian, Indiana. Ossian? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but that's where we're going for this xTool event. So here we have a bunch of the different samples that can be done with that F2 Ultra. Got all kinds of cool stuff in here. Ooh, nice PCB right there. Very cool. Here is the F2 Ultra itself. We're going to be working with this today and making a bunch of samples and seeing what this thing can do. Got it hooked up to the AP2 down there, and then maybe we'll show a little bit more of this awesome shop while we're here.
You don't want to have an accident where you're...
Don't want to be shooting it outside the container.
Yeah.
Essentially.
So that you can pick this up and move it without digging your fingers into the support membranes. So that is a lot better for a lot of people to move around, and it allows you to get in there, get it cleaned out, because cleaning the other one, it's getting in there with Q-tips, it's blowing air through, and it's praying to God that you got it all. This is your fan. You can pop it open right here.
Don't even have to unscrew it or anything. That's awesome.
That's nice.
And gives you full access to get everything in here. This pops back out. But get that all cleaned out. So the way that this connects in is you've got these prongs right here, and those fit right in, and that's what does all your electronics set from it.
Stainless steel in just over 4 hours.
I believe over 4 hours. I gotta double check. Put that in.
It is neat to see the colors though.
So we're used to xTool having 3 different styles of engraving, where our object is right there. So let's go. It creates a frosted white on stainless, and I think that might do a full clean. If not, we'll adjust it from there.
Save today.
Nice. Looking better on the second pass, but yeah.
It's always going to be better on the second. So let me see. So nope, that's not so good. Now here's the other question. Are you wanting to take it to bare metal, or are you wanting it to be a different color?
Well, I mean, I didn't even consider different color. I've been doing it to bare metal lately, but
it's going to work with toys that you do on pieces of wood, signs. Always do test. I'm doing it at 150 speed, 100 power, 220 LPC. Frequency is set to low. Now, I want to show you something. If I process this out just as it is,
What's that time?
that's what we're looking for here.
15
so this
seconds.
Is 15 seconds to do the scan out like that. So let me double check, make sure that I have that right. If I change this to user defined, it takes it down to 12. Now, what Smart Scan does, the big difference is going to be is if I am doing, say, this part of this right here, so xTool, 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 my laser is going to come down. It's going to start on the top of this X and go all the way to the L. Back and forth, back and forth. It doesn't matter if this whole area is empty. It's going to scan like this. Smart Scan is going to stop in this top little part of this X over here and only do that top part. Then it's going to go to the next one and that next part. It's never going to scan around.
oh, nice.
What's up, Sparky? All right, let's go ahead and see what a deep engrave on a rock is going to look like. Wow, it makes it soundproof too when you close that lid.
And those are
Yeah.
football flavors, so you're good.
I always thought all those sounds were fake in those videos. Yeah. And there we go. We got a nice deep engrave on that rock. That Casey Art and Apparel logo in there. Very nice. There you have it, everyone. Nice short and sweet video of an xTool F2 Ultra demo event. The host, Jacob, was awesome. Got to learn a bunch about this new laser, all the new features that it has in it compared to the other lasers. This was an all-around really cool experience. Thank you, xTool, for inviting me out. I had a great time. Can't wait to eventually get one of these myself. If you're new here and you haven't done so yet, please be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. It really helps out the channel. As always, I'm Game Dad, and I'll catch y'all later.